Good afternoon, my teacher and my dear friend. I am Vinayak Sau, 6th METC branch, standing here to present my group project named IoT-based vehicle tracking system. These are my content. First, I will discuss about introduction, component required, Arduino module, GPS and GSM module, block diagram, circuit diagram, working principle, advantage, disadvantage, application, and conclusion. Lastly, reference. First one is introduction. In this system, you determine location of object or person. Modern vehicle tracking system uses GPS technology to monitor and locate our vehicle anywhere on the earth. The vehicle tracking system is fitted inside the vehicle that send real-time location and data can be sent by text message stored which can be used for analysis in future. This system contains a series of satellites determine the location. It uses the position of 3 or more satellites from Global Navigation Satellite System and its distance to determine latitude and longitude. This is the list of components required, that is Arduino module, GSM module, GPS module, LCD display, battery, SIM card, switch and connecting wire. This is Arduino module. In this system, we use Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on Atmega 328P microcontroller. Your Arduino Uno receives data from GPS module and send it to the mobile by GSM module. This is GPS module. The Global Positioning System is a satellite-based navigation system that provides location and time information. A GPS receiver calculates its position by using time and the signal sent by satellite. GPS module contains tiny processor and antenna that directly receive data sent by satellite. This is GSM module. In this system, we use a GSM module that is SIM900A. SIM900A GSM module is the smallest and cheapest module for GPS and GSM communication. It makes vehicle tracking system to be wireless. It collects data from GPS module and send it to mobile by text message. As you can see that this is block diagram of our project. Here major elements are GSM, Arduino, GPS and LCD display. We can say that Arduino is the brain of this system because it manages all functions. First, it collects location related data from GPS module, then send it to the GSM module, then instruct it to send the location related data by text message to the mobile, and lastly it shows the continuous status in the LCD display, that is system initializing, system ready, message sent and latitude and longitude in the display. As you can see that this is the circuit diagram of our project. Here I will discuss about how these elements are connected with each other. This is the LCD display and its 6 data pin is connected with the 6 digital pin of Arduino Uno. This LCD display operates at the voltage of 5 volt DC, so it is provided by the Arduino power pin. This is the GSM module and it has 4 pins. One is VCC, ground, TX and RX. The TX and RX pin is connected to 2 digital pin of Arduino and it operates at the voltage of 12 volt DC 2 ampere. So we need a external adapter to its operation. Then this is the GPS module. It also have 4 pins, that is VCC, ground, TX and RX. The TX and RX is directly connected with the 2 digital pin of Arduino Uno and it operates at the voltage of 3.3 DC voltage and it is supplied by the Arduino Uno power pin. This is complete circuit diagram of our project. Now we will discuss about working principle. It uses global positioning system to know location of vehicle or object. The tracker uses a process called trilateration, which uses the position of 3 or more satellites from Global Navigation Satellite System network and its distance from them to determine latitude, longitude and time. The location that is generated by the GPS module is sent to the GSM module by the help of Arduino Uno module Then data is transmitted by using cellular network or GSM network to mobile phone. Now, when we send a predefined message to the SIM card inside the GSM module, then we get a return text message. The text message contains latitude and longitude of our current location. As you can see here, these are the advantage of our project, that is ability to access location from anywhere at any time on any device, prevent vehicles from theft, improve communication between connected electronic device, improve situational awareness, track behavior for real-time marketing. This is the list of disadvantages. Privacy is not maintained. Keeping data gathered and transmitted by the IoT device is challenging as they evolve. The explain in use. Then technical complexity, connectivity and power dependence, time consuming and expensive to implement. This is the application. First application is preventing vehicles from theft, mapping and surveying, tracking of law enforcement, keeping watch on elder people, military and civil aviation, public transport monitoring like taxi service, bus service, emergency vehicle location. Lastly, conclusion. The most essential thing in today's world is providing security to public and private vehicles. So vehicle tracking system is proposed to locate the exact position of vehicle when it is lost or hidden somewhere. Along with the tracking system, anti-theft system is also developed to provide security. It is mostly applicable in transportation system, military application, public vehicle, etc.